In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways in which you can make round shaped balloons from oval shaped balloons. So I have here normal balloons, which if we inflate them, they become oval shaped balloons. They become oval shaped balloons. But we don't want oval shaped balloons, we want round shaped balloons. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways in which you can make round shaped balloons. The first way is to inflate the balloon as normal as you did here. And you got this oval shaped balloon. You'll release air from it. You'll slowly release air from it and push with your hands here. With your fingers that you have here, you'll push it. And you will slowly release the air from it while pushing here. When you find it round enough, you'll make a knot, and here you have a round balloon. The second way to achieve a round balloon is to inflate it. And to push it on a surface, and to push this area and here on a surface, whether it's on your hand, on the table, or on your body, it doesn't matter. We will push it from both sides like this, and we will release air from here. Push it like this. Push the body far and stretch this neck, and then make a knot. And you have a round balloon again. Another way is when we inflate this balloon, we will take this entire neck part and put it over our balloon pump. So normally we inflate it like this, but we'll bring the balloon more closer. We'll bring the body of the balloon more closer, and we will fold the neck part here. Hold it strong, and we will inflate our balloon here now. And now we have directly inflated a round balloon. We will tie it and make a knot. One important thing to remember is that if you don't succeed directly, it may happen that you won't succeed directly. Then retry it, try and try again. It's not difficult, it's very easy. Anybody can do this at home. Anybody can turn this oval shaped balloon into a round balloon.